All right, so I worked it in. The trick is you gotta work it. You gotta pull it. You gotta work it. Hey, welcome back, everyone. It's Brian from 517 RC Trail Crawling, and today we have a new product to review. You've seen these, the first run of the Crooked Mitten RC Crooked Crawlers, 3D printed tire inserts. But today we have the blue version. They are the same design, but softer. Much softer. Yes. Excited to try these out. I was told these were the same size as the originals. So what do we have? We are going to do... We have... Oh, hold on, let me get right there. We are at about 108 millimeters outside diameter. The new version is about 108, 107. So without moving this guy, he doesn't quite fit. They're just a tiny, oops, sorry. They're just a tiny bit smaller. And what do we got for inside diameter? Sorry. Inside diameter, come on. Alright, we are looking at, you can see that we have 57. Wait, hold on. Sorry, I need to get a better pair of these. No, I'd say right at 55. The new version. And I'm measuring the inside diameter because the first run, these, hard to get the B-lock ring in. On these guys, we are at, let's see, we're hitting right there, so we're a little bit smaller. These are showing 53. Alright, well, let's see what it's like to mount them. Alright, I've got two sizes of rings here. These are right at 20. And these are right at 25. But they are both. This one is 55. This one is 55. These came out of some Amazon, just random Amazon B-locks. These guys and these guys. Nothing fancy, not Vanquish wheels, but I think it's a good sampling of anything you get on Amazon. So let's try. Here's what we have for the originals, these have been mounted a few times. So not too shabby. Getting them centered can sometimes be a little bit more difficult because these inner circles, these circles, the edges can sometimes catch, but whatever. So there you go, that one works. Now, these being 2 millimeters smaller, I'm expecting a little bit. Oh, there we go. Maybe it's because they're softer, it's just easier to get them in. Sorry, it's hard to look at the camera and what you're doing at the same time. Alright, so that's a little bit more of an issue. the circles on the inside, trying to get them to sorry, this is taking a little bit longer than I thought it would, but I really want to get them centered. Oh, here, maybe that's a trick. Put your thumb in the hole as you're moving them over. Maybe? Ugh, I don't know. But it'll probably be easier when it's in the tire, I'm hoping. Maybe the wider one will be different because it's wider. Maybe the circle, the holes on the inside won't be such a problem. And yeah, I would say so. A little bit wider wheel seems to cover these a little bit better. There. Not too shabby. Alright, now, well, you know what? I should have left that in. Let's put some rings back in. And let's see if we can show you the density difference with this new insert compared to the old stiffer one. Yeah, the stiffer TPU that this is printed with and the narrowness of the ring. There we go. Alrighty, we are here testing the Crooked Crawler blue inserts, and as you can see, they are already more conformative than the originals, which I would say would be your hard. Maybe these are a medium. I have these in the trails today, that's why the tires are dirty. They did really well on the trails. I liked them a lot. The truck behaved very well. I had no problems with high-speed stability or traction. Let's see if we can't get to it. Yeah, here we go. So we'll run it over to the spot real quick. Ooh. I guess right here on this truck, I could use a little bit more conformity maybe, but you're not seeing quite the deflection I'm used to, but still, they're doing well. So some closing thoughts into the inserts. I ran that, as you saw in the running video, I was running on my G-Made with the deep woods. They fit great in the deep woods, and I think these did very well. In the running video you saw, I mentioned I think they should be softer. Now, they feel really soft, but when they were on my vehicle, which I can't remember the weight on it. I think it's upper 6s, lower 7 pounds maybe. I didn't quite get the wrap around that I was looking for on the rocks, but in the trails, they did fine. Stability was great. I had no issues. I would run them in the trails all day long, and maybe in the summer when they warm up, or if I had a little bit of a heavier rig, I think they'd be really good on rocks for more of your crawling. Yeah, so I'm really happy with them. I'll be using them quite a bit, and if you like them, go over to Crooked Mitten and get yourself a set. Blah blah blah. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.